Let me show you how to generate the perfect surprised YouTube face using Adobe Firefly. Head on over to firefly.adobe.com and hop into text to image. Let's start off with a prompt like close-up of an influencer with a surprised expression, mouth wide open, hands on side of face. Then press generate. If you have a specific subject in mind, feel free to tweak the prompt. With our initial face generated, we can further customize over to the left. Knowing that YouTube thumbnails are 16:9, let's switch the aspect ratio to widescreen. I'm also going to hop back into the prompt and try out a different variation. Maybe hands grabbing hair and neon background. From here, you can download it to edit in Photoshop, or jump straight into Adobe Express to quickly add text and other elements. And that's how you can generate a surprise YouTube face using Adobe Firefly. Now, whether you should, that's another story.